This is my Hisun Axis 500 we got from Lowe's. And I've had nothing but shifter problems with this since day one. So we took we got the linkage adjusted, the turnbuckles out. We've done it like 15, 20 times. I've only had this about a year and a half. And as you can see, let's turn it on. We only have 13 miles on it. That's it. 13 miles we put on this. Here's a shifter we took apart. It ended up that all the fan gears in there were corroded to nothing. And like I said, this only has 13 miles on it. This is the environment it's kept in. It's never seen the rain, never been outside. I don't even think we've driven it maybe a dozen times. Here are the new fan gears. This is what it's supposed to look like right here. Here's the old fan gear with 13 miles on it. There's nothing left to this. There's no way that this was put in here in good condition. This was put in here corroded and rotted out like this. This one's even, there's almost no teeth left on this thing. 13 miles. This thing is brand new. I mean, how did I get this thing? I mean, there's not even, if you look, there's no dirt on this. This thing is completely clean. It looks like the day we bought it. But the fan gears are toast. The only reason I'm doing the video, because there's only one video I found on the planet that covers this, and that's from TJ's Small Engines, and he does a good video on how to replace these. So I bought new ones, and we'll see how it goes in 5 minutes when I replace them. All right, we got this thing back together. Fan gears in there, got the turnbuckle, got everything put together. It's in neutral, it seems to shift good. It goes into low, goes into high, it goes into neutral with no problem. So we will take it out for a spin, see if the thing actually works. All right, we got it all back together. It actually shifts very nicely now. Everything works great. There's neutral, reverse. There's neutral again, high, and low gear. So the thing works great now. And this is all I do with it every day, or every other day. I come out and do once around the pond.